In today's video, I'm going to show to you how to block ads on Facebook. So the first step is to simply open Facebook, and then you have to scroll down and then choose the ads that you want to block, and then simply tap on these three dots next to it. And as you can see, you have two different options. So you can select show less, so you're going to see fewer of these ads, or you can simply hide this specific ad. So basically, if you select hide ad, you're not gonna see this ad anymore, so you'll have to simply tap on hide ad. But keep in mind that you're gonna still see other ads from this company. So if you want to see less ads from this company, select show less, and every time you see this company, tap again on show less until it's gonna disappear basically. So simply tap on show less, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.